How's it going, everybody? This is Fred Levi, VP of Sales, here to prove my score. And I wanted to bring a quick video to you guys because I have a lot of people ask me if they can do credit repair on their own. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about doing it yourself and what that comes along with the responsibilities and things like that. So, a lot of people ask me, can I do credit repair on my own? The quick and simple answer is yes, you absolutely can. Just like you could take out your engine on your own, you could change your oil. But let me ask you a question. If you guys were to change your oil on your own, instead of taking it to the oil change place, take it to a mechanic and have them do it professionally, if you were going to change your oil and you stripped the drain plug, would you know what to do, how to rethread the pan so that you could put a new plug in there? These are the types of things that you guys are going to need to learn in regards to what happens when things come back and how they come back, what you need to do after you send your initial dispute. So most times when people need something done, they take their problem to a professional. Now, your credit may be a problem, it may not be your problem, you may not know what you're looking for, you may not know what you're looking at. Now, I've been doing credit repair since June of 2000. Today is June 7th, 2018. So I just hit 18 years. Okay. Um, so when people ask me, because it is a topic that I believe needs to be discussed, because I want you guys to have the best information. And I don't want you guys getting information from somebody who tells you no, you can't do it on your own. They just try to sell you on services. Um, that's where I try to differentiate myself because I want to be the person to give you guys the facts. It may not be what you want to hear, but I'm going to give it to you raw and uncut. I'm going to give it to you just the way you need to hear it, because I don't want there to be any misconceptions in regards to credit and how it actually works and what can and can't be done. So, um, to give you another analogy, if you're barbecuing, right? You set your fire up, you got your temperature going, and you're trying to hit, you want to smoke some barbecue meat. So you want to be somewhere in the range of 225 to 250, somewhere in there is your sweet spot. But do you know what to do if you get too high? If your temperatures go to 300, 325, 350, do you know how to bring that temperature back down? So these are the types of things um, that I try to relate to when it comes to credit. Again, yes, you guys can fix your own credit. I applaud you guys if you guys could figure it out, because it's not an easy road. But I do want you guys to know it can be done. You guys can look up information on the internet. You may find some good information. You may find some bad information. You might find some things that you can buy, things such as Section 609 dispute letters. You can find that all day on the internet. I could tell you one thing: they don't work like they used to. Section 609 letters. When you guys are sending in disputes to the bureaus have a multi-million-dollar machine. It reads these letters and assigns a dispute reason as to why you're disputing the account. And a lot of times, you have everybody looking into, you have people looking at the internet and they're getting these letters, and everybody's looking on the internet getting these same letters. So, the bureaus are seeing these letters thousands and thousands and thousands of times per day. Um, so as the machine reads the letter and assigns that code, a lot of times you're going to be marked as frivolous, because they're seeing so many of the same letters coming in and day out. So um, I just want you guys to be aware of what's out there. Now, if you're working with a professional, somebody who knows how to do credit, um, the tactics needed to be done to make the bureaus and furnishers stand by the law and do what they're supposed to do. If you guys are ready for a professional, you found one here. I'd love to answer any type of questions you guys might have. Comment below. I do want to ask you, if you find this information helpful, go ahead and subscribe. hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I do a video. If you guys have any questions or something you want me to go over, I'd love to be of assistance. I'd love to go over that information because I could tell you one thing, you guys aren't the only one who has that same question. So I want to get the information out there. I want to be able to help you guys get into a position where you guys need to be with your credit. So with that being said, I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this quick and short video. Like I said, if you have questions, please comment below. And I look forward to working with you, whether it's answering questions, doing another video for you, specifically made for you, based on any type of questions you guys might have. So with that being said, thank you for watching the video. Appreciate you for taking the time, and you guys have a good day.